Alright, y'all. I was super excited. I got my media, it's like a media piece for my GoPro, but it's just gonna make my videos look better. You're gonna be able to hear me better. And then I'll be able to put this attachment piece for my light on it. So let me just get right into this. Ooh. Oh wait, what is this? 16 by 20 heat presser from Heat Press Nation. Just trying to get my own clothing line, honestly, and at the end of the day started. So I'm gonna make my own clothes, but it's just there's gonna be a little bit of processes. Alright, y'all. I don't even know exactly what this is. Let's see something right here. Let me see. They don't even really say. I don't even know exactly what this is. Put this away real quick. This box. I don't even know exactly what this is, but it's just. I guess it just. I just stuff for my heat press. I guess it's just little equipment. It came with it. I guess or whatnot. So let's get into it. We gotta cut away from ourselves, y'all. Ooh, that was tough, y'all. Alright, let me see what this is. That's that. Get up out of here. So we looking at here. That out of here. So this looks like my T square it and logo grid it graphic alignment system used together or separate. Okay, so this is a graphic alignment. Great. Cool. So let's open this up. Oh, it's like pretty much rulers. Okay. Big old rulers. Oh, that's hard. This one's shaped like a T. That's clean. No axes. That's clean right there. I like that. And then, oh, they didn't show you right here. I don't know if y'all got that. Just light up a little bit. Let's see. So yeah, and this is a bundle. This is the 16 by 24 bundle. It's a bundle from Heat Press Nation that I got or whatever and whatnot. Yeah, so that's just that this logo grid, all that right there. Just let me know how it worked. I pretty much, yeah, step by step, literally. Okay, so yeah, something a little different. I didn't really see any, if not at all, too many heat press bundles from Heat Press Nation. Like nobody was really elaborating, or I didn't really see too much of. So I just wanted to get one exactly from there, and then do, videos and just let y'all know the inside, break it down with y'all, unbox it with y'all, go through it. Like y'all, I want to do this process with y'all. I feel like this is very hard. I don't know why it is. Like once you get the information to where you need to go, places that you need to go, like Heat Press Nation, stuff like that. Like it's monumental because then you could look into the product. You can know what you're getting. I didn't know there was a printer involved in the heat press. You know, I thought maybe, you know, there was like some type of Bluetooth hooked up to the heat press. You could maybe transfer, you know, whatever image. You know, I don't even know how that stuff works, but now I know it's a printer involved, and then I guess it like prints vinyl, and then that's what you heat press. So yeah, and it's a whole little process and all that. And I don't even know if that's exactly correct or how all that works, but you know, I just want to go through this with y'all, and then just maybe help somebody else out there that need help like I did, you know. So yeah, that's that. So that's that right there. I don't even know what this is right here. They don't have it at all, and it just makes the difference. Or they got like a boo-boo quality, but this seems pretty good though. I don't know what it's supposed to exactly feel like. We're gonna find out. But this seems pretty solid right here, and it's cool. I was thinking that I was trying to figure out how they was gonna do that part, but yeah, this seems cool. And then they got a couple of little baby ones in here. So yeah, that's that. For sure. Oh, let me get this out of the way real quick. I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. This is right there. Boom. I'll shoot these up real quick. Boom, boom. Slide that in there real quick. Swift. This is a silhouette. And this is, this is what I use, I guess, to print the vinyl off to the Cameo 4. So I'm gonna check this out, see how this go, let y'all know how this go. I'm excited. I got some Nike pants on the way. I ordered some. I can't wait to show y'all those. Those are gonna be bomb. Nike is probably my ain't no probably. Nike is my second favorite brand. Then it goes my brand, which is no excuses. You know, I'm gonna build with y'all. I'm gonna grow. Y'all gonna grow with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get this thing going. But that's my brand, no excuses. That's my favorite brand. But Nike is like that's it. Before my brand and me wanting to make it my own brand and make my own clothing line and all that, it was Nike. So, you know what I mean? They got all types of products that I like. So I'm gonna try to take a little bit of my brand and maybe fuse it with their brand and come up with some pieces, some original pieces. And I just said, you know, forget the box cutter this time. I be struggling. I swear I be struggling, y'all. But I swear I work at a warehouse. So don't get it twisted. I know how to use the box cutter. I don't know, man. But this one in particular, I just went ahead and just cut it open for y'all. That ain't nothing. Okay. GoPro. So media mod. I needed this. It's supposed to make everything better. So we gonna see what everything is, and we gonna test it out. Y'all see this quality in the videos. So now I'm gonna so to speak, upgrade. Let's get it. Let's do this. Okay, so everything is a light. I'm supposed to be able to put a light on this. It has a mic port. It has an HDMI out, 2 cold shoe mounts, and a tough weather resistant construction. So this thing is supposed to be pretty beastie. It's a directional mic too. So I guess it could. I think I'm not mistaken. That's both sides. So yeah, limited lifetime warranty. Saying. So yeah, let me get back into it. All right, here's everything. I got another one of these. I don't even know what exactly to call this. I think it's a screw. Then there's another clip mount, or it's like a clip. I put it into my chest belt, helmet, etc., etc. Here's a little mic piece and whatnot. This is just I guess this is the dual what is that called? The dual directional mic. So that's what the directional mic thing is. And then here's the actual piece itself. I there's a piece right there where you can put maybe like an attachment or some sort. If I'm not mistaken, this is the mic. Power button, if I'm not mistaken, or something. That's what it looks like. This is for my flashlight. So this right here is the flashlight. No, actually, this is the power button. So what is this? That might be for the old models. This might go to the old models too. They might have made this for both. Yeah. So that's that. Let me see if there's anything else in here. No, that's it, y'all. Alright, so yeah, just let me know how y'all feel about the upgrades. You know, let me know. Like and subscribe. The usual. No excuses. It's on the way, y'all. I'm gonna start getting y'all clothes. I'm gonna start showing y'all some pieces that I'm working on. More equipment. I got my Cameo 4 now. You know, just it's a process, one day at a time. Information on the video that you watching. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna try to cut as many corners as possible for y'all. Get this locked in, get this tapped in, so that way anybody and everybody can do this. Appreciate y'all. Remember, like and subscribe, comment, all that. I think this might be more stuff for the heat press. Yep, heat press. So y'all, back at it again. Hold on, put this away. Back at it again. Another unboxing. I believe this is Heat Press Nation. I don't even know exactly what this is. This is I don't even know what this is. I don't even know what that is. I think it's a pick list. Oh, so it's like pretty much my this is information. So this is like pretty much technical products, inkjet printer. Inkjet printer. So pretty much this is a pamphlet. This is like information. It looks like this is paper and stuff. It's like, yeah. That's that, y'all. Light work. I don't know exactly what this is. I'm gonna read up. I don't even want to unwrap that. Yeah, I don't even want to unwrap that. I'm gonna come back to this, y'all. Show y'all what it all is. Go in more detail. Appreciate y'all. Like and subscribe, comment. Let me know if I missed anything. Let me know if y'all want to know anything. I'm out. No excuses. I ordered some. If I'm not mistaken, these are nylon, so we're about to check them out. Let's hop right into it. Man, What's good, y'all? Back at it again. I got the Nike pants finally. I'm hoping these are the Nike pants. Unless Nike want to hook me up like Asics did, then you know what I mean. But I'm pretty sure these are the Nike pants. I ordered these to just do a little bit of work on them. I was gonna put some logos on them, maybe even print on them a little bit. So yeah, just something to work with, something for me to play with. And then also just something new from Nike. You know, they had all that drama going on with Lil Nas, so I just wanted to, like, you know, just get something. It was just Nike this. I don't know, for some reason I just wanted to order something, so I just ordered me some. So let's get right into it, y'all. What's up? Remember, cut away from yourselves. Something personally I'm getting better with. Ooh, look at that. Alrighty, look at that over. Okay. Look at them things. Okay. And it's both pairs. I got both pairs. Okay. I got these for, what did I pay? I paid $100 for both instead of $140. I thought that was a great deal. These are hot. You don't see people rocking these. You know what I'm saying? So that's my hands cool. Oh yeah. Check those out, y'all. Oh yeah. Hold on. Get right into it. Hold on. The black pair, the black and white pair. Oh yeah. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's me and my son. We about to bust it down real quick, you know the usual. So I got another box for y'all, so let's bust this down real quick. Something hot, straight out the mail. Watch out, son. Don't get cut. There you go. Cut away from ourselves. Remember that. Cut away from yourself. Whenever you cutting something, son, make sure you cut away from it. All right, see.
Whoa, wet.
There we go.
What?
That up. Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Looks like I got my Space Jams, y'all. Hold that. Grab that. Pull the box off. The bottom box. Get that out of here. Yeah. Well, y'all know what it is. Since it's a pair of shoes, we ain't even, you know what I'm saying? So we out. On to the next. Bust it down. Better night on the beat. Hey, better night on the beat. Oh, that's the same one. He's in this thing getting ducats. And we was in this thing getting good. And we was in this thing.
Mama?
We was in that thing, little homie getting butt. We close it up, hurry up. Let that precious AC out. Everybody can see precious. See. Let it thing in that bit and let it sign in it bit. Crack cocaine, let it bang in it bit. Do your thing in it bit. Do your thing in it bit. Let it sign in it bit for real. Now racing. And I'm just balling on them all season. I was in that thing getting money, little homie. And I was in that thing getting money, little homie. And I was in that thing getting mine, and I was getting mine. Hey.
Now. Mommy, Daddy.
What it do?
Mommy, do what?
Go get it.
Look. Here.
You looking at mommy's shoe?
Yeah. Here.
There it is, y'all. What's that?
Look.
I got it. Ethanol Shield Premium. So it needs.
That's the oil.
Yup.
Okay, so there's the gas and the oil. I think. Oh. Yeah, that's why I gave you instructions so we can put gas and stuff.
Alright, y'all. Let me see how I get this up out of here.
Shot.
Whoa, what happened there, Callie?
Well, it's got we know it's regular gas. That's the oil that goes in there.
Yeah, y'all. It's game time.
Where am I supposed to go? It's not working.
Might be out of gas.
You didn't put gas in it?
No, not yet.
It's out of gas then, because me and Mom didn't put gas in it.
Oh, it's not. I just started it up wrong.
Let me know before you cook. Alright. What are you doing?
Watch out, Jay.
Where am I going?
Get to the ball on you.
Where am I going?
I'm telling you, soon I drop that motherfucker.
Hey, Tanya, this piece right here is just laying there.
Say what?
That piece right there is just laying there.
I know you be careful. That's what I'm saying. Whew, y'all. Hard work, very dangerous hard work. But I gotta get this done because we got a storm coming.
When did you ever get that tall?
Nana, look how big the pile's getting.
I know, baby.
There's like 1,000
jumpsuit. Like maybe like a hoodie and some sweatpants or something. Damn, arm on fire. Woo. Be careful, baby. Remember I told you, have it started going before you, yeah, there you go. It's gonna fuck up.
I don't think you should do that. I think your ladder's gonna fall. I'm getting in. Tadio,
Yo.
come here when you're done with that.
All right. You wanna play?
Yeah.
You wanna play?
Yeah.
You wanna play? All right, YouTube fam. So we gonna bust it down today. Have another episode of Bust It Down. I got a pair of shoes, and yeah, like what is this? What? But who wants to get a package that's in this? This, like, man, and I can't even be mad at UPS. I can't even be mad at FedEx or none of them. I can, but at more of the story is this is what they're told to put. Like, this is how, like, matter of fact, I don't even know how this process works. I don't know if I think if I'm not mistaken, the company puts it in these packages. So shame on DC, shame on Nike, shame on Sperry, Reebok, Under Armour, anybody that's sending packages out in this. Like, this is the last thing you want to put something in and then send it to somebody and it's like y'all act like we hanging up the packaging. Like, the package is $250. Nah, no. So I got this. This is just trash. Like, what is this? I'm not agreeing with this. Don't even want nothing to do with this. Let's hop right into it. Okay, so I got a pair of DC shoes. My receipt, y'all don't even need that. 9.5. And that's all I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all make sure I go over the shoe game and check these out. All right, YouTube fam. So right now let's recap what we went through before we close the video out. Gas chainsaw. I got it for 150 bucks at Home Depot. I also bust down the Command pet wall mounted gate. You can get that at Walmart for $45. That thing was clean. Yeah, it just helps my son and any of my other kids not fall down the stairs. You know what I mean? I bust down a pair of DC shoes and a pair of LeBron 18s. It looked like the Space Jams. And I also bust down some materials for my heat press. Even though I don't know when I'm gonna be able to make some stuff for y'all and give it to y'all, but I did go over that. Oh, and I got materials for the heat press. So I got the rulers and some heating pads and stuff. And I also went over my little equipment I got. You know, I don't got it on right now. I'm pretty up close and personal, so I don't think I really need this right now. But just a little adapter piece for my GoPro, just to make the quality of my videos better, man. Y'all know me, I'm all about that quality. I can't wait to upgrade the camera and just get more. Everything get better and better and better. I want this to look as best as possible. I want y'all to get that real deal. I want y'all to see the pimples on my face. You dig? I want that quality, man. Shoot, that's it. We busted down. Yeah, so make sure y'all head over to Shoe Game and check out both pairs of those shoes that I bust down that I got in the mail. Check those out. I have those on there. Until next time, y'all. Peace.